is working on a redesigned, high-end iPad for as early as 2018 that incorporates key iPhone X features, such as slimmer edges and facial recognition, according to people familiar with the matter. Also, Bloomberg has published new details about what to expect from new iPad Pros next year. KGI already predicted that Face ID will come to the iPad Pro lineup in 2018. According to Bloomberg, Apple is working on new iPads that indeed include Face ID, Apple's new facial recognition feature that just debuted on the iPhone X, and with that change will come the removal of the home button. iPads can already be sure of mostly on gestures for navigation, which iOS 11 only increases, and facial recognition can replace fingerprint recognition for biometric security. The report also notes that it is not likely we'll see iPads switch to OLED displays next year. Also, the OLED is a pricier component due largely to supply as well, so cost is a major factor. Speaking of Apple Pencil, Bloomberg says a new version of Apple's digital stylus is in the works, which would mark the first change to that hardware since it was introduced alongside the original iPad Pro. If Apple manages to shrink the bezel of the new iPads without changing the screen size, this could make the overall form factor reduced compared to the current models. In terms of timing, however, the updated hardware isn't expected to debut anytime soon. Apple released the current 10.5-inch and 12.9-inch iPad Pro models at WWDC in June, and today's report says the newer versions likely won't be ready until later next year. So, I really hope you guys will find this video useful. And what do you think of upcoming iPad? Let me know in the comments section.